Hi folks, this is Patrick from Classic Bike Meters, and today I want to show you a thing that a customer sent in along with his instruments. He had asked me to put these needles on. He had already bought them and he didn't want to discard them, but I'm really reluctant to do so because this quality is not up to my standard, and I will show you why. The edges, they're not sharp, they're all frayed. And if you compare them to my needle, mine is very sharp, has the right colors, and the studs, they align with the holes in the boss. The needle tip is also already painted, so you don't have to be going about with white paint and making a mess of yourself. So yeah, I know which one I'm going to use, and that's mine. Installing them is quite easy. They're a press fit. You have to press them on, and then after you've put the counterweight on, you melt down the studs and it will stay on there. It's actually a very nice piece, as you can see, and the customer will agree with the end result. If you want to buy these, I have these in my online store, along with all other products that I already sell for these gauges. Just take a look around. If there's anything that you want to know about these, then contact me. Thank you.